So what we made was this filter here, and what it does is it uses plants to filter water for aquariums. So it creates a closed-loop, sustainable ecosystem.
How does it work?
So it pulls, it's pretty cool, right? So it actually pulls water from up here through a spinning pump. And then the water flows through a couple media channels, so it filters all the fish poop. And then it recycles through plant roots. And the plant roots pull out all the nutrients, which is all the fish poop too. And then the plant grows, and then the fish poop goes away.
Where did you get the money to build this?
It's a good question. A lot of it was from student loans, some on a credit card, and then we also had two other businesses where we set up fish tanks for people, and that was part of it.
What types of fish could live in the tanks?
Well, for these, I mean, a lot of different kinds of fish can live in there. They're freshwater aquariums, so a lot of small freshwater fish can live in there. But for the aquarium that the filter comes with, it's quite small and it's for cold water. So, like freshwater, little minnows, mountain minnows are really cool. That like cold water as well will do really well.
Do you not just do minnows, but do you put in like big fish or like not fish but other type of sea creatures?
Yeah. So for bigger tanks that I build, I do that, and then the goal of this filter is to be able to scale it. So that means making it bigger for bigger systems to grow like tilapia, for the fish that you eat every day, and sturgeon and other types of fish. So hopefully we'll get there one day, but right now we're sticking with the smaller fish.
How do you put them inside the tank?
That's a good question. So actually, a lot of people get this wrong, even your dad maybe. But so when people get fish from the fish store, their first instinct is get it into the tank as soon as possible, right? And that's actually completely wrong, because fish, the environment they're living in the fish store, the oxygen levels, pH, basically temperature and everything's very different in that tank than your aquarium at home. So you have to slowly get them adapted to your aquarium water before you put them into your aquarium. So you slowly add new water, your aquarium water, to the existing water, and let them slowly adapt before you put them in. So that's a very good question.
How do the fish feed the plants and how do the plants feed the fish?
Yeah, so the fish poop like slowly breaks down in the filter when it's caught through a sponge, and then bacteria actually grows inside the filter. Not bad bacteria, but very good bacteria grows inside the filter and breaks down the bigger pieces of waste, and it keeps breaking it down until it's the smallest you can find it. And the roots expand throughout the entire filter, and like fertilizer, it's really soaking up the fish poop, the small molecules of fish poop, and then that cleans the water while feeding the plants with really nutrient rich, like fertilizer.
Are you going to put a sea sponge in one of these?
So sea sponges are saltwater organisms, and these are freshwater for now, because it grows like plants that normally grow in your garden, like mint and basil and parsley and things like that. So you normally don't pour salt water in your garden, right? Because that kills them. So you pour fresh water in those gardens. So right now you can only keep freshwater fish. The EcoCube is the perfect ecosystem. Everything works together.